Hello, Sparrow. Long time no see.
I was about to come see you. Trust me.
You can never be trusted to Sparrow.
Then just admit it. You can never beat me.
I know. But there is someone who can.
That looked like it came straight out of a Hollywood movie, right? And guess what? It was all AI. And today, you'll learn how you can also create masterpieces like this. By following my techniques, you can create something like this, or even better. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool I used to create this video is called Higgsfield Cinema Studio. This tool is trending everywhere on social media, and let me tell you guys, it's truly a game changer. And it's very easy to use. All you need to do is upload your input image, select your parameters like prompts, camera angles, and even lenses, and it will spit out cinematic visuals like this. And that's not even it. You can then feed the image into its state-of-the-art video generator and turn it into full videos. You can control the camera movement, music, lip sync, and much more. Alright, now let me show you my entire process for creating this video. I used Nano Banana Pro for the images. First, open Higgsfield using the link in the description, then hover over the image section and select Nano Banana Pro from there. This is the prompt section. Now let me show you the trick I used to generate images with perfect character consistency. It's pretty simple, guys. I use a single prompt. Using this prompt, you can literally create an entire sequence of scenes with the same character and visual style, which is honestly pretty wild. I've already made a very detailed video explaining this, so you can check that out if you want. And don't worry, I'll also put the prompt in the description for you guys. You can use the prompt exactly as it is. You only need to change the scene description based on your requirements. That's it. Next, select the resolution from here. I'll go with 2K for now. You can also change the aspect ratio here. Finally, just click on generate. And this is what it generated. Pretty cool, isn't it? With just one prompt and a small scene description, Nano Banana Pro created the entire scene draft. Not only that, it even generated different camera angles. Nano Banana Pro clearly understood the requirement, did a bit of research using Gemini 3, and created this masterpiece. Isn't this one of the best image generators out there, or what? I'm telling you, with the right technique, you can create absolute wonders with Nano Banana Pro. Of course, I didn't get the perfect result on my first try. I had to generate it a few more times to get something I really liked. Now let me show you how you can extract each image individually. It's very simple. First, upload the scene sequence image here. As you can see, I've already uploaded mine. Next, in the prompt box, just write a simple prompt to extract the images individually. Make sure to mention the row and column numbers, as this is very important. Then, simply hit generate, and that's it. This is how I extracted each image without losing quality. Sometimes it may mess things up, but a quick regeneration usually fixes it. And now let the cinema begin. What I did next was open the Cinematic Studio dashboard. This is the interface. Then you need to upload your image here. This is the image I've uploaded, and this is where the magic happens. Once you click here, you'll be able to select the exact camera type, lens type, and even the focal length. This system is trained on millions of real cinematic footage samples, so it can mimic cameras and lenses extremely accurately. Now in the prompt section, you can either keep it empty or write something simple like this, and then hit generate. And this is what it created. As you can see, it has transformed a normal looking image into a very cinematic shot with the perfect cinematic aspect ratio. And let me tell you folks, no other tool can create images using this exact aspect ratio. Of course, you can experiment with multiple cameras and lenses until you find exactly what you're looking for. Let's do one more. This time, I've uploaded this image and used the same camera settings because I want all the images to have the same aesthetic. And this is what it created. Truly amazing. Now let me show you how I created this subsequent shot. It's actually very simple. All I did was upload the cinematic image, then use this prompt. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and this is what it created. Amazing, right? And by the way, this is all powered by Nano Banana Pro, so you can always expect outstanding results And this is exactly why Higgsfield is my favorite tool for creating content. And now let me show you how I turn the images into videos. First, switch to video from here. Next, upload your image. I've uploaded this one. As you can see, I used a very simple prompt, nothing extraordinary. I clearly mentioned exactly what I wanted the character to say, and I also specified not to add any background music. This way, the scene flows better when combined with other clips. Otherwise, every video clip comes with different background music, which I don't want. I can always add background music later. Now, for the camera movement, you can simply choose the movement you like. Just look at how many pre-trained movements already available. I chose static so it feels more cinematic. Then you can choose the video length, decide whether you want audio or not, and you can even go with slow motion if that's your thing. After that, just hit generate. And here's the output.
Hello, Sparrow. Long time no see.
That was super cool, right? The movement, the lip sync, everything was on point. It really looked like a scene from a movie, didn't it? Pretty wild. And now let me show you how I created this scene. It's very easy. All you need to do is upload the first frame and the second frame images here. These are the images I've uploaded. Next, I gave it this simple prompt and that's it. And here is the output. Just look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Look how smooth it is. No distortion or morphing at all. This is next level stuff from Higgsfield. It's the smoothest first and last frame transition I've ever seen. Now, I use this same method to create this shot as well, and look how awesome this one turned out. These are the input images, and this is the prompt I used. Pretty easy, right? After generating all the clips, I imported everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added background music and filters, and to make the voiceover sound similar across all the clips, I used a voice changer powered by ElevenLabs, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. Higgsfield Cinema Studio to turn your ideas into cinematic masterpieces, so what are you waiting for? Go and try it now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.